The world is full of interesting, fun, and fascinating facts, with over 200 countries and over 7.8 billion people, plus plants, animals, and other organisms. The land of the Kiwis, for example, has the world's highest concentration of pet owners. Nicaragua has one of only 2 flags in the world that are purple. Do you want to learn more about the world and its rapidly growing population? Continue watching this video to learn some fascinating facts about the Earth's past, present, and future. We have amazing factoid, frenzy. The universe, and the world is a strange, bizarre and fascinating place. We've got fun facts about food, animals, geography, famous people and inventions, and everything in between if you're looking for a few or more bits of random trivia to share with your friends or just boost your own arsenal of knowledge. Educate your friends with did you know facts that most people are unaware of. And while these facts are quirky and cool if they aren't strange enough for you, we have plenty more weird facts. Please give like and subscribe if you like this video. Fact 10. Dentistry is the oldest profession in the world. Dentistry dates back to when humans first developed teeth. Well, not quite that far back. One study, however, discovered evidence of teeth being drilled in skulls dating from 7,500 to 9,000 years ago. The holes were most likely drilled with a prehistoric bow drill. Could that be the first dentist's work? Please let us know what you think in comment section. According to the BBC, another biting study on a 14,000-year-old skull, conducted by the University of Bologna in Italy, discovered that one rotten tooth in the jaw had been deliberately scoured and scraped with a tool. That makes dentistry one of the oldest recorded professions, which is certainly cause for celebration. Fact 9. Climate change is causing flowers to change color. Don't worry, your prized red roses aren't going to turn turquoise overnight. But an increase in UV radiation due to the ozone layer deteriorating over the past decades has caused flowers all over the globe to change their color. A 2020 study led by Clemson University scientists determined that the UV pigmentation in flowers has increased over time, which has led to the degradation of their pollen. Although we can't see the color change with our eyes, it is a big problem for pollinators like bees who are attracted to the bright colors that flowers produce. Fact 8. Mount Everest is bigger now than the last time it was measured. Mount Everest may have physically grown, having reached maturity a long time ago. However, the most recent measurement performed by surveyors representing China and Nepal has the mountain peak standing taller than we thought in the past. Previous readings have ranged from 29,002 feet above sea level in 1856 down to 20,029 in 1955. There was reduction of 8,973 feet according to NPR. But after the long process of measuring the mountain with GPS devices, experts have now stated that Mount Everest stands at a whopping 29,031.69 feet due to plate tectonics. Wow, that is almost 30 feet higher since 1856. Do comment and let us know what is your opinion. Fact 7. Deep-sea volcanoes have resulted in the discovery of new species. Finding previously unknown organisms in the depths of the ocean may sound like something out of a science fiction horror film. But a 2020 study of a deep-sea volcano near New Zealand published in Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences of the United States of America uncovered over 90 putative bacterial and archaeogenomic families and nearly 300 previously unknown genera. We'll have to wait and see what happens. Fact 5. The Greenland ice sheet, described by Britannica as the largest and possibly the only relic of the Pleistocene glaciations in the northern hemisphere, covers roughly 80% of Greenland. But has it always been this cold? Researchers discovered well-preserved fossil plants and biomolecules at the bottom of a 1.4 kilometers core sample taken during the Cold War in 1966 at Camp Century, implying that the massive sheet melted and reformed at least once in the last million years. Fact 4. Hawaii is the best place in the world to watch rainbows. If you're a big fan of rainbows and want to see plenty of them, look no further, visit the state of Hawaii. According to a study published in 2021 by the American Meteorological Society, the area's mountains produce sharp gradients in clouds and rainfall, which are key to abundant rainbow sightings. Air pollution, pollen, and a large amount of cresting waves also contribute to Hawaii's ranking at the top of the list for rainbow quantity and quality. Next time you visit, be sure to take some videos or images of rainbow you see. Fact 3. Recent European droughts were the worst in 2,100 years. Since 2015, Europe has been experiencing severe dry periods and excessive temperatures, resulting in massive droughts. To try to pinpoint the cause, researchers led by the University of Cambridge and published on the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration website examined isotopes in the rings of old European oak trees in Central Europe that evolved over thousands of years. According to Eurocalert, they determined that the dry spells are a result of human-caused climate change and accompanying alterations in the jet stream. We should be extra careful and take care of our nature. Fact number 2. The highest wind gust ever recorded on Earth was 253 miles per hour. Lock your hats on, because this isn't your typical windstorm. In 1996, a tropical storm named Olivia made such a powerful landfall off the shore of Barrow Island, Australia. But it shattered an astonishing record, according to the Weather Channel. Olivia's eyewall produced 5 strong 3-second wind gusts, the greatest of which was a 253 miles per hour gust, which blew past the previous wind record of 231 miles per hour, established in Mount Washington, New Hampshire back in 1934. Finally, we have reached fact number 1. Glaciers and ice sheets contain around 69% of the world's freshwater. According to Water in Crisis, the guide to the world's freshwater resources from the United States Geological Survey. The seas hold slightly more than 96% of the total amount of water on the planet. However, that is mostly seawater. And it is salty. You must travel to the poles to find the majority of the world's freshwater, as 68.7% of it is trapped in ice caps, permanent snow, and glaciers. Subscribe to our channel and know more facts delivered right to you. Please like and subscribe, it means and motivate us lot.